Hey guys, it is Joyce here, and it's some reason when I was on the computer and I saw the Papa breaking the blue color, which is the green person on the computer now. Yep, and shout out to Cricket, he was famous, and which is the Spotted Boy. Yep, that's
Subscribe.
about it. And subscribe to
Subscribe to Blake.
right.
Subscribe to me.
Yeah, you at Crickets. Hello, Crickets. I was using on a Payphone 4 to calling you because I'm going to deliver the Payphone.
I uploaded your video.
Oh, okay, thanks. Alright, I'm just recording.
Are you uploading it?
Well, I'm still recording, alright?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
I'm on the phone. Alright, guys. The package is arrived on the door. Ooh, that's the Payphone 13, which is green. Oh my goodness, the package was arrived. Let me open the box real quick. Case. Well, a good thing to know, this is for blank Payphone case. I need to make it nice. Now, that's much better phone. Oh, there's the Apple logo. Let's try setting up on my Payphone 12. Let's set thing up. Done. Checking out the Payphone, you can see I just there's a case here, cool green cover here, and once I was GFEOS 16, which is Hiku voice system, which is some reason I love this phone. But what we're going to do, the Payphone 12, well, actually, which is going to give to, because he got the Payphone 13, which is a blue one, but I'm going to put Payphone 12 as the display, which is secondary cover. Right, Cookies is entering my phone, as you can see, which is I was going to enter the call. Hey Cookies, I got the Payphone 13 green one.
Really?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah. Just hit this. Wait.
Make sure to upload this one though.
Alright.
No more.
Alright.
After this one.
Okay. Everything's wasn't been enough. Alright. Thanks for watching for unboxing the Payphone 13, and I'll see you guys on for more phones of the Payphone 13 with green one. Bye. Before you go, I'll say something. I should using his cool kid's old iPhone on iOS 6 box, and mine is the iOS 7 box. Nice. And in comparison to this new world, yeah, that's convenient. I don't know. I'll see you guys later.